The SmartStep Gen 2 is an evolution of a trusted and loved product. We've taken the best features of the Gen 1 SmartStep and then we've improved the user experience and the space efficiency that it currently presented. We talked to clubs, trainers and user groups, looking at where their pain points were and where the opportunities were for our future development. And we saw that people were often struggling with how they carry their steps, the height adjustment being intuitive, and where they stored these either in a home or in a gym environment. Our design process started with extensive research into competitors on the market. We then went into the sketching and brainstorming stage, and from this into model making and concept proving. We wanted to ensure that we developed something that not just looked aesthetically pleasing, but it was also based on science. To do this, we worked with a team of physios, trainers, computer simulation experts, and biomechanical scientists.
This testing was conducted by Dr. Ginger Gottschall in her biomechanics lab, and we want to test the performance of this bench against two others that are industry standard benches and our SmartStep Generation 1. Now we selected 4 exercises commonly seen in step workouts. Now the variables we measured were the amount of deflection of each bench, the muscle activation with each of the exercises, and we conducted surveys to get the perceptions of the participants in how each bench performed. Well, in terms of deflection, the SmartStep Generation 2 significantly outperformed the others. Now this means more shock absorption and less impact for our participants. In terms of muscle activation, we saw greater activation in the hamstrings in 3 out of the 4 exercises we tested, and significantly greater activation out of glute max in 1 of those exercises. Now in terms of the surveys, the SmartStep Generation 2 came out on top. It was voted as the #1 favourite bench by all the 16 participants.
To ensure our materials are fit for purpose, we first ran FEA simulations. We then used a test rig to run 1.5 million cycles, simulating 3 years of high use in a gym environment. A key consideration for us in choosing the materials was the environmental impact the SmartStep has. We have overcome this by reusing 10% recycled content in all parts manufactured for the SmartStep. With the square shape of the step, we've been able to move the feet outside of the contact zone of the user. With an increased surface area, this provides us with more grip and more stability. So along with this, we've provided a reassuring audible click that allows users to know when their risers are locked in place correctly. My favourite thing with the SmartStep Gen 2 is the all-in-one design and the click-to-rise functionality. Seeing a user easily pick up the SmartStep, take it to where they need it, and then adjust the height, it's great to see this product being used and well received by all users.